Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking the most amazing chicken skewer recipe you've ever tasted. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. Also in today's video we're going to be cooking the most amazing bourbon chicken kebab skewers you've ever tasted. Now you can do this on the Weber Kettle, you can do it on the Genesis, and you can even do it on the Q. So today we're going to be cooking it on the BBQ, so let's get that Q lit and start creating these bourbon chicken skewers. So while our Q's on a 10-minute preheat, we'll start preparing our sauce. Also the ingredients for our sauce today, we're going to be using some olive oil. Now you can use any type you like. We're going to be using some brown sugar, some barbecue sauce, some sriracha to give you that hint and kick of spice, some mild American yellow mustard, some garlic powder, some salt, pepper, and to finish it off we're going to be using some good old JD. Now you can use cheaper brands and keep the good stuff for drinking. I find Jack Daniels tastes the best. Our sauce, we're going to add 1.5 cups of barbecue sauce, 1/3 cup of bourbon. Next we've got 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard, tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, the more the merrier, and a teaspoon each of freshly ground salt and pepper. And we'll just give all that a mix up. Just give that a little taste. Wow, oh my god, I could drink that on its own. That's absolutely awesome. So what we'll do now is dive in and start preparing our kebabs. Right, so today we're going to be using chicken thighs. You can use breast. I prefer thighs just because you're going to get a lot more moisture in there. The fat, you can cut the excess fat off. I'm not going to worry too much about it unless you're really picky about the fat on chicken like my partner is, but that is pretty reasonable. Because like any meat, as we know, fat gives flavour. So what we're going to do is just chop this up into inch pieces. So on these skewers we're going to kick it up a bit, so we're going to have an alternation of bacon and chicken. Now you get the thickest bacon you can. This is pretty thick, so I'm going to be using at least 2 pieces anyway to give it a nice thickness, and we're just going to cut these into inch piece squares as well. And now we'll start preparing our skewers. So with our skewers we go chicken, bacon, chicken, and finally chicken. So this should make about 6 skewers, so chicken, bacon, chicken, bacon, chicken, bacon. There's only times I can say it, so we'll get the rest skewered up and then we'll get them on the grill. So now we've got our chicken and bacon skewers all loaded up. You can load these up as much as you like. I'm going to drizzle these with some olive oil. Ready for on the grill. So just do that on both sides. And now we'll get these on the grill. Once now they're off, just to finish them off, we'll give them a little bit more basting before we give them a taste test. That sauce with that bacon, and you can taste the bourbon. Absolutely superb. Don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipes down there as well. Now you can do this on the Weber Kettle, you can do it on the Genesis, and you can do it on the Skew as I've done today. All you need is to set that heat to around a medium heat, and you want to keep that around 150 degrees Celsius, and I'll put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit, and you'll get the juiciest chicken and bacon skewers that you have ever tasted. As you can see, those Bourbon chicken skewers turned out superb. The flavours in there are amazing. If you marinate them before, as soon as they hit that grill, that sugar's gonna burn straight on that chicken. It's not really nice having burn bits all over the chicken. So it's a lot easier to cook it first on one side, flip it, marinate it, let that cook in for around 2 to 3 minutes, then flip it onto the next side, baste it, and so on on all 4 sides. And the flavours just work out amazing. You've got that hint of garlic, that spice from that chili, and then you've got that hint of bourbon, which just finishes it off to a treat. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.